Hi everyone, I'm Brittany of the Brittany Christina collection and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a 25-year-old designer based in Prince George's County, Maryland, and I have over 10 plus years of design experience. I made my first dress at the age of 14 and I started my first business at the age of 18. So I have so much to share with you guys, and a lot of people don't know that there's so much that goes into building the Brittany Christina collection, whether it's me preparing for a photo shoot to release my next collection, or working on a fashion show, doing model castings, or working with clients, my prom clients, my bridal clients. We have so much behind the scenes content, and actually over the past couple months I've been doing a lot of filming. I'm trying to be more present and be more out in front of my brand. So stay tuned, subscribe. We have a lot in store for you guys. Really, my hope for this channel is to inspire someone else. Like, anyone can do this, sis. Just get started, just do it. So I hope you guys enjoy what we have in store, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.